I swear one of the alarms isn't working here anymore. Or is it me just going deaf? Right, 1550 to 1552 is Mud Railway Central, Peterborough to Lincoln Central. The train's already approaching. That was quick. After this, we practically got about half a minute up. 175.33. For Lincoln Central. The question is, are both crossings going to stay for a second train? We clearly know this one ain't, but it's the west. Maybe not. Maybe. We don't know. $15.53 to $15.54 Eastman Railway service from Nottingham to Skegness. Although we were put down quite a little bit late. Lincoln's off. Here comes Skegness. Around another minute of downtime again. 174.20. Just getting there.
Is it a train, Josh? Bye, Josh.
Hi guys, here we are at the Sleaford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Anna Sharp. $18.55 for the 1856 for the 1859 Eastman Railway says from Peterborough to Doncaster. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it to my chest. It's been one low. So if I go up here, I'll put it. Right. Apparently, South Australia got so many malfunctions at Millbrook. His magic trick was whoosh. Actually, whoosh, up we go. And then another malfunction. And then you know many malfunctions at Millbrook. I think Millbrook hated South Australia today. Well, that's good. We got an ambulance, but we already set the road for the Doncaster. 1857. I'm gonna have a long one. we're going to have to wait barriers. Because there is an ambulance there. Right, train's approaching. It's already been 2 minutes. God, I know it's wrong. 156 917. No, 156 917. 156 917 to Doncaster. Next train's in about 3 minutes time, but they're not even closed yet, so it's going to be delayed. Whoosh! Up they go. Imagine we had malfunctions at Sleaford. We'll see you in the next video. Mission! Hi guys, here at the Sleaford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Van der Sharp. That car was too bloody impatient. For the slightly delayed 2S27 Eastern, right, 1901 for the slightly delayed 1748, 1901 2S27 says from Nottingham to Skegness. I'm going to do the Delta Australia trek in a minute. The next race is about delayed because delayed Nottingham. God, that was bloody quick. 174.16. To Skegness. And I'm going to do the Delta Australia magic trick. I have my hand. Oh. Looks like we're doing a race delay then. Oh. 2 minutes. It's gorgeous. Whoosh! Right, they're going up. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here at the Sleaford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Van der Sharp. I think I'm right. 1905 for the 1835. 1905. 2 kilo 23 railway says from Lincoln Central to Peterborough. Oh, there. Doncaster's closed. Right, bye bye Doncaster. What is leaving already? And 1906. Who would have guessed? This train is now 1 minute late. Hang on, I'm gonna cross. All that traffic piling up there. And there's only 15 minutes before the next closure. Sorry, I was lying. 10 minutes before the next closure. So might well get rid of as much traffic as possible. Oh, they're closing. That's where we're going to stop again. One 5 8 5 7. To Peterborough. Right, about 9 more minutes before the next closure. We need to clear as much traffic as possible. Restored some there. And guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here it is Sleaford Sleaford crossing Lincolnshire with Thunder Sharp. Miss you! Hangman! Hangman! Knew we would get Hangman. That's like 5-second Hangman. Knew we were going to get Hangman. I could have saw that coming. Right, 1916. Right, 1916 for the 1815. Right, 1917 for the 1815, 1990. 2S26. Eastman Railway says from Skegness to Nottingham. Could have saw that coming. It was like about 5-second Hangman because I knew that was coming. And yet we didn't clear all this traffic in just about 10 minutes. It's a good decision for the singer to put a Hangman on there. So I knew I was going to get a Hangman. Oh, train's already here after that Hangman. What if I say 403? Hello? What if I say 403 to Nottingham? Right, we got half an hour to clear all this traffic. Right, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here at the Sleaford Sleaford crossing in Lincolnshire with Thunder Sharp. I think it's currently in night mode because it's now night. Well, it sounds like they're in night mode. Oh, you can't see the alarm. $19.55 for the... Hang on a minute. Let me get it up first. Don't worry. I'll get it on. Eh? Oh. Right, 1955 for the 1846, 1956, 2S29, Eastman Railway says from Nottingham to Skegness. It's one of the purple boys. Oh, it's here. What if I think 907? What if I think 907 Skegness? It's not like a question. Of course we're gonna go up. Whoa. Up we go. And guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here the Sleaford crossing in Lincolnshire. If I'm shot. bonk. Right. Now we're waiting. I'm gonna stay for 2 more closures. Right, 20:03 for the 20:06 Sleaford Railway service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central, which is now expect to arrive at 20:05. And then after that, it's just not long before the Doncaster come-ins. I mean, Peterborough service come-ins. I'm surprised if we're gonna get a double pass at the station. Well, calling for on the station on the crossing. But it looks like service from Doncaster's not in sight yet. Both crossings are closed. So service from Peterborough's going to come next first. And then it's the service from Doncaster. Who'd have guessed? (156,408). Yeah, Doncaster's not arrived yet. (156,408) to Nottingham via Lincoln Central. Finger crossed now. Another 2-minute closure. We're getting all 2 minutes here. Next one's just about 3 minutes away. Wherever it is. Whoop, up we go. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Staying on this side, and then that's it. Hi guys, here at the Sleaford East level crossing in Lincolnshire. Around the shop. Lincoln's about to go. (20:08) for the 14:18, 20:09. 2 Kilo 25. Sleaford Railway service from Doncaster to Peterborough. Lincoln Central's going. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 20:09 service 2. No, platform 1 for the 20:09 service 2. Peterborough. Pointing out Sporting and Peterborough. That's normally what Sleaford stations and that things are like. Right, they set the route for Peterborough. It's currently dark, as you can see, because there's no light. Right, train's approaching. Oh, let me get. There's 15 sign on to platform number 3. 156,411. Oh, wait on one. Lincoln's gone. 156,411 to Peterborough. Sleaford West is now opening. Of course, we're getting all these 2 minute closures here. Right. Thank you guys for watching today's videos from Sleaford East level crossing, and we'll see you Saturday. Here at Sleaford East level crossing in Lincolnshire. Around the shop. (1856) 48 in 1900. 1856 for the 1859 Sleaford Railway service from Peterborough to Doncaster. Yep, they put us down a bit early, but the train's not past that signal yet, I don't think, but it normally does, but it's here now. Ooh, 158 847. To Doncaster. Sleaford crossing an English river at the shore. Bonk. $1900 for the 1901 influence railway says from Nottingham's Gengness. Another 158. I'll get it's got the road, so it should be departing now. One 158 866. Just going there. Up we go. Where do you think you're going? And you? Thank you guys for seeing the next video. Here we are, Sleaford level crossing in Lincolnshire. But on the shore. Bang. Went down. Right, bangs, bangs, all bangs, bangs. 1904 for the 1905 East Midlands Railway search from Leicester to Peterborough. I'm just going to go to that side, show the lights. Actually, I might do here. I might just do it from there, but I don't have enough time. I'll place it right there. Right, we are restarting two-part video, and that's good because why not? Well, he's starting. We're already in a minute here, and he's already departing. 156 406. I'm going 156 406 Peterborough. Up we go. Thank you guys for seeing the next video. 6C10, the 1611 Eastwood Railway Social Gang Nast to Nottingham. I see the train around the corner.
Let's go.
After a minute and a half, the train's now approaching. 175 and 4.
Oh, I'm never going to use it. It's not like
For Nottingham. Oh, they're staying. Right, up we go for about a minute or so.
Really? Yeah, this way.
Run it.
Oh, say hi.
1613, 1614 Eastwood Railway Social from Doncaster to Peterborough. This train is approaching after about a minute or so. Was 7534.